Kwakuthole kulesifundazwe umvikeli womphakathi ukwanda kwezikhalo ngokungaphathi kahle kuso kanye nezikhalo zokuhlinzekwa kwezidingo nqangi okubalwa kuzo amanzi kanye nemigwaqo engemihle.
Re tlhoka metsi.
Uthi abanawo amanzi kusukela ngolwezi wanyakenye. Uthi abantu bayashona lapha ngenxa yokuthi abayithola imithi ngesikhathi bafuna ukwakhela umtholampilo. uAdvocate Mkwebane uthi ubuholi bukahulumeni wesifundazwe kufanele buziphendulele.
As an office of the Public Protector in the Northwest, led by Mr. Kibini, we have around 111 complaints, and most of them relates to maladministration, which is undue delay to respond, and also the issues relating to abuse of state resources, abuse of power, and service delivery related complaints. I must indicate that a lot of the reports which we've issued are against the municipalities, and they have not implemented our remedial actions.
We have established a team constituted by 3 core MECs, MEC for COCTA, MEC for Treasury, and MEC for Safety and Security, to go into these municipalities and try and deal with the problems that those municipalities are experiencing.
Kulindele ukuthi umvikeli womphakathi ahambele Western Cape.